Hi, I'm Ken Lingenfelter from the Lingenfelter Collection and Lingenfelter Performance Engineering. And we're here at the Lingenfelter Collection tonight raising money for the Ronald McDonald House. Ronald McDonald House we were introduced to through Mott's Children's Hospital. And unfortunately it was as a result of one little boy by the name of Caden who lost his life. He was waiting for a heart that didn't come in time, so he passed away. Well, we got to know Caden's parents very well, and they relied very, very heavily on the Ronald McDonald House. And as we heard more and more about the Ronald McDonald House, we realized what a need they were filling and what a great service and a great charity that it was. So we started investigating, and we learned about the families that have got sick kids that are taking them to treatments and watching them and staying with them through surgeries. It's really something you have to see to appreciate.
It has given me the opportunity to see just the beauty of life. There's a lot of beauty here tonight. And I'm not even talking about the cars. The cars are great. The beauty that I see here tonight.
It's very difficult for a charity like Ronald McDonald House to get out and raise funds. And they need people like ourselves and others who are willing to bring people into a venue like this and get people to a point where they get an opportunity to learn about what the Ronald McDonald House is. Tonight we had a gentleman give a testimonial of his experience with a very ill daughter that he had. And thank goodness everything went well for them, but for 2.5 months they stayed in the Ronald McDonald House. And once you get close to somebody who has gone through that, you realize how important having a Ronald McDonald House connected to a hospital is. And to be very honest with you, it's provided a lot of drive for us to continue to support them, and we will continue to support them. This was the 4th annual event here at the collection. I think it was the most successful. And we'll do another one next year, and the next year, and the next year, as long as we can do it.